Today, we celebrate these important steps to provide women and children with a safe refuge, providing homes where they can recover, regroup, and begin to rebuild their lives. I know these projects will make a huge difference in the lives of so many people, now and for generations to come. Just last week, a new report highlighted that among women and girls killed in Canada, 66% are killed by male partners or family members. Women and children who are escaping abuse need a safe, secure place to live and support so they can heal.
Thanks to BC Housing's funding of 40 units of new and permanent affordable housing for women and children at risk of violence or who have experienced violence in Kelowna. It's a sad and terrible truth that we need this kind of safe haven for women and children in our community. But the happy truth is this housing will provide life-changing sanctuary and support to its residents. It's another prime example of how housing first is essential to giving people the security they need to regroup and the support they need to move on to fulfilling lives.
I am so proud of this new provincial investment that will ensure women and children who are leaving violence get the help they need when they need it most.